This event provides an excellent opportunity for us to showcase the talent of young people, and it's brilliant to see young people, boys and girls from across schools, the length and breadth of Wales here today. And I hope all of you that are visiting take the time to speak to each of them, and that they have an opportunity to meet with each other so that you can compare ideas and maybe find inspiration for new projects.
And now on to the third prize for GCSE, and it is Jenny Nutbun, Ysgol Sir Thomas Jones. And the second prize for GC is Jack Williams from Eston High School. First prize, of course, goes to Joseph Ringrose, St John's Baptist High School. So now on to the AS level prize, and the third prize goes to Neve Thorne Bryn Elinor Comprehensive. And the second prize goes to Stanley Long, Monmouth School. And the first prize goes to Olivia Johnson, St David's College. Third prize at A level, and the winner is Betsan Elinor Jones from Ysgol Pedr. The second prize goes to David Wyn Montgomery from Ysgol Glan, and the first prize goes to Kathleen Cox, Llanfyllin High School. The creativity prize goes to Pearl Sandell, Llanfyllin High School. And the CAD CAM prize goes to Joshua Bradnam, St David's College. And the IP prize goes to Sam Rees, St John's College.